Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set dynamic wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 18. First, let's go to our settings and let's tap on battery. From here, make sure that the low power mode is turned off, so click on the toggle button if it is currently turned on. After that, let's go back, swipe down to your settings page, and you should be at the very top, and you should be able to see this search bar at the top. Click on that, and we are going to search for reduce motion, and let's click on this one. And we make sure that reduce motion is currently turned off like this. Just click on the toggle button to have it turned gray. Now let's go to our home screen and swipe down from the very top and long press on this page. And you should be able to see this plus icon at the bottom right. So tap on that. Let's scroll down and find the iOS 18 section right here. And these wallpapers can change dynamically with the time, or you can select a color as well. So as you can see, this one right here at the very end changes colors. So let's select that one. And as you can see, it is currently changing colors. And make sure that it says dynamic at the bottom. So once you swipe to the left, it would get rid of the dynamic label. So just swipe again to the right and make sure that it is set to dynamic like that. You can then change the other elements right in here, such as the font, adding widgets, and the accessibility shortcuts right here at the bottom. And once you're done, just click on add at the top right, and you can set it as a wallpaper pair, but only the lock screen will change colors over time. And just click on set as wallpaper pair. You can also customize home screen if you want that. And you can then select on the wallpaper or tap on here to set that up. And instead of changing colors, always like on the preview, it only changes colors throughout the day. So you need to keep that in mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.